Why are persons with a blood group considered universal recipients? Individuals with a blood group have both A and B antigens on their red blood cells but lack anti-A and anti-B antibodies in their plasma. Because they lack these antibodies, their immune system does not attack donor red blood cells of any type, A, B, AB, or O. AB individuals actually have both A and B antigens on their red blood cells, not none. AB individuals can receive blood from all types, A, B, AB, and O, making them universal recipients. If they had all types of antibodies, they would react against almost all donor blood types, which is the opposite of being a universal recipient. Where does the exchange of O2 and CO2 occur between air and blood? The lungs contain alveoli, which are tiny air sacs where gas exchange occurs via diffusion across the respiratory membrane. This process ensures oxygen enters the bloodstream while carbon dioxide is removed from the body. Kidneys are primarily responsible for filtering blood to remove waste products and maintain fluid balance. The heart acts as a muscular pump to circulate blood throughout the body but does not facilitate gas exchange. The liver performs metabolic functions, detoxification, and bile production rather than respiratory gas exchange. What does the term formed elements refer to in blood? The term formed elements refers to the cellular components of blood, which include red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. These elements are suspended in the liquid plasma and constitute about 45% of the total blood volume. How can HIV be transmitted via blood contact? HIV is transmitted through direct contact with infected bodily fluids, including blood, during medical procedures like transfusions. Screening blood for HIV is a mandatory safety protocol to prevent the spread of the virus in healthcare settings. Where is ingested blood initially stored in a leech's digestive system? The crop is the largest part of the leech's digestive tract, consisting of 10 chambers where blood is stored after feeding. The presence of diverticula allows the crop to expand significantly, enabling the leech to store several times its body weight in blood. The pharynx is a muscular organ used for sucking blood but does not serve as a long-term storage site. The intestine is where the actual digestion and absorption of nutrients occur after the blood leaves the crop. The stomach in a leech is a small chamber where slow digestion begins, but it is not the primary storage area. Which type of blood vessel carries blood away from the heart to various organs of the body? Arteries are thick-walled vessels that carry oxygenated blood, except the pulmonary artery, away from the heart to various body parts under high pressure. Their elastic walls help maintain blood pressure throughout the cardiac cycle. Blood is described as what type of substance? Blood is classified as a mixture because it consists of different components like plasma, cells, and proteins that are physically combined but not chemically bonded. These components can be separated using physical methods such as centrifugation. A compound is wrong because blood's components are not in a fixed chemical ratio and are not chemically fused. A pure substance is wrong because blood contains many different types of molecules and cells rather than a single type of particle. A homogeneous mixture is wrong because blood is actually a heterogeneous mixture, colloid, where components like cells can be seen under a microscope. Which scientific discipline is used to analyze substances like blood and DNA in criminal cases? Forensic chemistry involves the application of chemical principles and techniques to analyze physical evidence like blood and DNA for legal investigations. It uses analytical methods to identify substances and link suspects to crime scenes through molecular evidence. While biology studies living cells, the specific analytical process of identifying chemical markers and DNA sequences is a branch of biochemistry. Mathematics is used for statistical analysis of data but is not the primary discipline used to physically analyze the substances themselves. Physics deals with matter and energy interactions but does not focus on the molecular composition and identification of biological fluids. Which fact surprised you the most? Comment below and subscribe to Quotient for more.